But do you see how bouncy, healthy, and fluffy it is? Hi there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sandy Esprit and I am here to share with you some of my favorite leave-in styling products if you want a good braid out, cause y'all, the hair's been given. Oh boy, I'm dizzy. This is one thing I do love about natural hair is that the versatility. You take care of your hair, it takes care of you. So today I'll be sharing with you my top favorites, best, whatever it is you want to call it, braid out products for a successful, good looking braid out that's going to give you defined and moisturized hair. So here's a disclaimer, I do have affiliate links down below in the caption section for all of the products that I will be mentioning today. So if you click on it, I get a small portion, you're not gonna be paying extra, and I do my best to try to hook y'all up with the best deals. Support is greatly appreciated. If you have not subscribed yet, please click that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget the notification bell so that you don't miss another video, okay? I'm gonna keep coming in. I'm trying to be consistent and do it twice a week, but I will be uploading weekly, that's a fact. And if you haven't already followed me on my other platforms, whether it is on TikTok, on Instagram, on Pinterest. I also have a blog, believe it or not, that you can get newsletters, and I share a whole lot more content there. So please feel free to follow along. It's a blast on all of my platforms. So today I'll be reviewing a mix of products, whether you're looking for something that is affordable, budget friendly, or you're looking for salon grade products. I got you. Let's get into it. So for starters, I'll be reviewing the Marc Anthony. This is the Strictly Curls line. I have the leave-in conditioner and the Defined Curl Cream. But this is what I actually used for this braid out. When it comes to braiding out my hair or doing a braid out hairstyle, I love to do it on freshly washed hair. So I will wash my hair, I will condition, and then, I will leave it in braids. Hello. Okay. For the whole week. I don't like to manipulate my hair throughout the week. We are growing bundles in 2025. That's what we're doing. I will apply this to my hair and do chunky braids all throughout my hair. And then once I'm ready to take it out, if I'm going somewhere, I will undo the braids and get this level of definition braid out. All right, so let's talk about these two right here. Let me give y'all a little zoom close up. We have the leave-in conditioner, which comes in a spray bottle. We love the pump. And this comes in a tube, so you can squeeze it out at the bottom. Product comes out at the bottom. So let's talk about the leave-in. It is very lightweight. It has a nice citrus smell, which I really like. And I love that there is a lock option, which makes it really travel friendly if you want to travel and stuff. So this is really great. It gives you a nice slip and it helps with detangling, which I also really like. Personally, I like to detangle in the shower. So post shower, this is just added slip. It gives you a nice hydration and keeps your curls soft, which I really like. It's not gonna give you hold, but it is gonna give you that added hydration to keep your hair moisturized. Oh, and it also has avocado and shea butter, which we love. And of course, you're not gonna rinse this out. This is what I use as my base, and then I'm gonna go in and layer with the curl cream. It also has avocado and shea butter. This one gives you more hold. What I like about it is that it gives you that hold without the crunchiness. And of course, I'm gonna let me zoom in. So there are some parts that have more frizz than others. So you'll see there's definition here, and then there's a bit of frizz right there. So it's not gonna give you complete definition, but it's gonna give you that hold and it gives you that softness and that bounce. So that's what I mean. Like this area here, there's a bit of frizz to it. It's not crunchy. You're not gonna get that crunchy hold. You're definitely gonna get a soft hold. I love the fact that it is lightweight because you can see the hang time is there. It's not giving as much shrinkage as it would. So it is a lightweight curl cream and it's still hydrating. A lot of the times people think like, oh, it's a thicker cream. It's a cream. It's gonna be super thick. So it's gonna give you more hang time. It's gonna give you, but no, even though this is lightweight, it still gives you that hang time. You still get that elongation that you would expect from a thicker cream. It is also hydrating, and it leaves my hair feeling nourished. It leaves it feeling moisturized, and as well, it's like, it's affordable. So I love the fact that you can get this at any drugstore. She is budget friendly, she is affordable, and if you couple this with a good moisturizing shampoo, hair wash routine, when you use this post shower, you're really gonna love the effects of it. And it leaves your hair, again, it's lightweight, but it's still, the hair is still moisturized, so we love her for it. Next one is the Shea Moisture. This is from the Manuka honey and yogurt line. It also has the Mafura oil as well, so those are really great ingredients. This is from the Hydrate and Repair line, and she's a whipped curl cream. I've used this before, and I find that the best way for me to get the most of this is when I pair it with water. I find that if I try to mix it with any of my other hair products, it tends to pill and form those little things there and flakes, and so it's not really, I don't really like that personally. But I did find that when I would just add water to my hair and then use this, man, it just works like a dream, and it really nourishes and hydrates my hair, helps to keep that water in my hair for a really long time. Now this cream is very much thick, and it comes in a tub, so you have to twist off the cap, and this is what, I'm almost done, but this, like, I'm running out, but this is what it looks like. And it smells lovely. Oh my gosh, I love the scent. It smells so beautiful. So when I use this, I section my hair and I mist it with water before applying this into it, and then I go in and I braid it. Yo, and the results when it's time for that braid out is, it gives you a beautiful defined braid out with a soft hold as well. The definition is incredible for my hair. Now, if you find that your strands are like really fine, like you really have fine strands, you might find that this is heavy on the hair, so you'll need to go like less. As always, anytime you're using a new product, start light, start, light-handed, and then build up as you see fit. And if you're the type to have dry or damaged curls, this is great. Incredible whipped curl cream. You won't go wrong with this. Next, let's talk about the Joico Curls Like Us. I have the jelly, I have the mousse. I've used them both alone and together, and let's talk about these two. So this is definitely more on the salon priced items. They are great, and they are more hydration than they are moisture, which is really good for weather like this. If you have dehydrated hair and your hair has problem keeping hydration and staying moisturized because it lacks water, this is really good. I love the jelly. She is lightweight and she defines, and she's going to give you that cast, that hold there. The mousse is lightweight. She's hydrating. She works well with others. These two you can layer right one on top of the other, and for a braid out, it's like, again, go light and add as you see fit, but you are going to get a beautiful defined braid out with these two. And it gives you such a nice shine as well, which, sometimes you find that like, oh snap, like is my hair going to dry out? No, they don't dry out your hair, and it's gonna give you a nice shine, gives you a beautiful hold, no stiffness, so your hair can move. We like it when the hair moves. You're gonna get that as well with these two. So this is great for a nice bouncy braid out with that volume and long-lasting definition. This you're gonna want to reach for. They are great together. I find that they give you more definition. Like I found that I had more definition when I used it together than when I used it separately. So that's up to you based on your hair, but I'm not mad at these two at all. All right, so in case you're like, wow, that was a lot of information, I still don't know which one I want to use. Okay, well, let me help you out. If you're looking for budget-friendly products that's going to give you long-lasting moisture, definitely go for the Marc Anthony Strictly Curls line. You're gonna get bang for your buck, great affordable hair care. If your hair is dry or dehydrated, or you're dealing with damage and you're just like, I don't want to do too much to it because it's already dry, it's already damaged, and I'm just trying to repair and still get a bomb looking braid out, you know? You want to go for the Shea Moisture, the Manuka Honey and Yogurt Curl Whipped Cream, or the Whipped Curl Cream. This is the one we want to reach for. She's thick and she hydrates and she repairs. We love her. Just make sure to pair it with water or pair it with its matching leave-in conditioner. If you're looking for that soft, long-lasting, more defined curl, then you're gonna go for the Joico Curls Like Us Jelly and Mousse, or separately depending on how you want your curls to be defined. These two together is a dream. So I hope this answers your question so that you can rock out your braid out whenever you need to. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments section below. I have affiliate links. Like stated earlier, I get a small commission if you make your purchase through them. I'll try to hook you up with the best price as always. And don't forget to subscribe, click like, click that notification bell, you know, join the family. Let's do this. We're growing bundles in 25. We're staying on it. We're staying consistent. And I will see you guys next time. Ciao for now.